Rastafari. You know, yeah, today, welcome to the day. Yo, it is a Sentamus moment. Yeah, man, you know it's going to Kena. Life in Jamaica. Bless. You know, I travel on the gravel.
We have some ladies out here rolling outside. You know the thing goes, them ready. Them ready. We in a 2-piece, we in a 3-piece, and we in a 1-piece. And we're gonna see if Esther go wear no piece.
What's up? So me love to see the rest and stick out. Out of me have to look good. Tell them a Belgium Maroon man. Come get them from the east. Say they want a piece. Tell them a west. Say them a the best. Get out of north. Say they want this slaughter. You know, I told you we did. See Grandpa with them bad dump in the water.
Whoa, chef. Yeah. Life nice. Yeah.
Talk to them. Yo, I want Kena life in Jamaica. Grandpa Paul. Today is the spot, the day. Right here, some people. Who not go happy? People who not go nice. People, just stay tuned, in tune. What? I'm out.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire on a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well. Good morning. Yeah. Welcome guys, welcome. You know, as you can see from the title, it's that time. You know, we're gonna head to St. Thomas to link up the Maroon man himself. You know the Maroon man, the energy god. Yeah, so you know the man say, Keno, more you come down our place. So you know, so that's where we're heading this morning. You know what I mean? So we're packing, as you can see. The trunk is loaded, aisle, this, that, cold stove, everything. Rasta Messi is here. Yeah. And we have some ladies over here as well to rolling out. We have some ladies out here rolling outside. You know the thing goes, them ready. Them ready. We in a 2-piece, we in a 3-piece, and we in a 1-piece. And we're gonna see if Esther go wear no piece. But some piece I forgot. Them say no more house Esther than a no piece. Esther wearing a no piece. No piece.
A weekend on a Saturday, so bright and early Saturday morning, you know, nice trip.
Yeah. No piece. Whoa there.
Yeah, man, I have a 2-piece with 2 shots, you know?
Yeah. Oh, okay. So what should take the days off? Take the day off?
Yeah, because I have a 2-piece with 2 shots, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so take the day off for them, you know? Yeah, because it's a bright look and a nice look. So wait, don't tell the girls them team up, we just lean up, you know? And tell the girls them team up, we lean up.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. What about this for me there? Rasta Jackson, why? Rasta Jackson is here as well too. Yeah. Take out the color shoes away to on the bar for me there. Rasta Jackson is here. You ready?
Every time, ready family. I send the family because I say every time. I live and call her, love more than cook food, yeah? Now I'm gonna act you like I see the people do, put the whole of them dreams.
They're up and running same way.
Up and running same way. The dream team loving it every time. See, just got to speak, you know, speaking on the behalf of Kid, and the whole dream team.
Oh, going on the river.
Going on the river, okay? Loving it every time. Take care of everything. Loving it.
Alright.
Every time.
Yeah. Bless it. Are the big key? That one there. Yeah, so Colors. We've been calling you from the other day, you don't turn up as now.
It's pretty man key, you know.
So we have something here for you. Yeah. Put it one away.
Yeah, key, you know, what going on?
Yes, here something got something well pretty for you.
A baby,
Yeah. From Sandra.
Who sent this?
From Sandra.
Sandra.
Yeah, Sandra. You know,
Sandra, what's up?
colorful, you know.
Oh, wow, thank you so much. It's very beautiful. So hold on, when we get on this, Sandra, when we get on this,
Yeah.
a lot of bees.
It's going to sting you.
Yeah. What's that skin?
Your size.
Okay.
Have to be your size.
Yeah.
Well colorful like colors.
Yeah.
So we give thanks to Sandra, you know.
Yeah, man, Sandra, man. I thank you so much. But, you know, between me and I kind of lay him out from where they take. I don't go airport from where they to car. Them know I'm go over there go. You see me?
Yeah.
Because, you know, me end up have to go doctor where they, you know. Infection. Yeah. You know, I take the name stay. Like, and I ask people for nothing, you know.
Yeah.
I don't work them here, you see me? I know probably extended family and what I say, boy, you know? Oh, me in Changestown and I'm sick and whatever, I can't get for go get no money and I say kid and I don't tell you nothing, but you know, really, I don't like really to you know, take my problem to people. You people already done help me with a house already and whatever. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, you see me, but
With the Almighty, you know, just keep praying and hopefully everything will go on.
yeah, man. Well, pretty Sandra. Love it. Well, when I pretty outfit, me have to beat this week.
Yes,
you get what I'm saying?
well pretty.
Yeah. And as I said, thanks Sandra again for sneakers here.
Yeah.
Love it.
Alright then, so big up. Alright guys, so right now we're getting ready. We're loading up the vehicle. We're getting ready to move out, you know. So waiting on Esther friend to come out now, and then we'll just hit the road to go and pick up Marcus Garvey, man, the Maroon man, pick up the Maroon man, and then we're on the go. We're on the go. Yeah. So forgot to the divers here. Yeah, so, who are driving Esther? Who are driving Eddie? You go too?
No, man, they are.
None.
Yeah, man, I'm here, I'm going to try.
Yeah, go on.
It is the sugar miss me, you know.
Yeah, Miss Aaron?
Yeah, it is the sugar miss me, because I'm not going to get for Gary no Joe. I'm sorry, go, I'm for the error. They can't scold today. It's so sad.
They could have called, man.
I'm so vexed. Joe,
They could have called for the day. Go. Go. She wanted the water. Hi.
Yeah, River.
Joan, where's the two-piece? Joan, where's the two-piece? Come, we're going river. Where's the two-piece? We're going river.
Huh?
Where's the two-piece? We're going to river.
Me get too late when me get clothes I wash. Kino, but she not 90.
Can't you believe me? I go.
Yeah, because Shaga bed out of the river. Shaga river bed. Esther's going to the river bed.
Look, I can show my belly too. And then you alone can show them.
I show what's underneath it.
Yeah. We are set Eddie. Eddie. We also keep Eddie company. What? We also machine this?
Yeah, man. 8 months.
8 man. Yeah. Alright then. So that's 3 cars. Esther. Alright, so we're going to when you pull out. We are going pick up the Maroon man out of Camperdown School. You know Camperdown School? Oh them? Wow. No, I have one already. The big blue one. Huh? Yeah. Alright guys, so we just literally drive out now, out of Trenchtown, you know, so we're gonna pick up the Maroon man, you know, we're gonna pick up the Maroon man now, you know, he's out by Bellevue side, no, him not mad, he's just out by Bellevue side, by Camperdown School, so I'm going to meet him at Bellevue. I'm like, you sure Bellevue, you okay? I'm like, yeah man, you okay man, you know, that's my place that man. Yeah, so he's out by them sides, so we're driving on now. There's 3 vehicles, mine, Esther and Eddie as well too, you know, another friend. So we're all not gonna have a wonderful time today, you know, enjoy that peace vibes with some oats dumpling, curry chicken, and fried fish, you know, just go on with a vibe. Right, that is it. I would have a Jackson load up in the vehicle right here.
Turn right on Sunday Park Road.
Love you every time.
And we have this around the back.
Blessed, one love.
So you know we go pick up the Maroon man.
Pick up Maroon. By that quiet machine.
Rastafari, you know, yeah, today, welcome to the day. Yo, it is a St. Thomas moment. Yeah, man, you know I'm going to Kina, life in Jamaica. Bless, you know, I travel on the gravel. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And the beer, this blessed youth.
Yeah.
Good day, man.
Yeah,
Life
there.
in color.
Living colors.
Living color, yeah. Real keen on the day this in a St. Thomas nature, you know.
Alright.
Real native is it.
Yeah.
Roll out on them Celestia, you live in a Rasta. Yeah, man. Wait for that time, you know.
The next 2 vehicles, then what they behind it too.
Yeah, man, I see that, man. I ask them, man. Alright, let's see on the journey, you know. St. Thomas journey with the pan, and we have many rivers to choose. But you know, I want to carry up on my side first. My district. You see me? Because you have Reggae Falls, you know, nearby my place, you know. So if you like Reggae Falls, and we got Grand Fall. You see Grandpa, you know, I like her in my era still.
Yeah, we've been to Reggae Falls already.
You know where I'm going to say that?
No.
We got our place where I go, man, in our district.
Which one you got, Grandpa?
Yeah, man, Grandpa, man, where does have a river. You know, over Reggae Fall people, you have the big fall, but people joined over the side of regular, you know.
Okay.
But we have got a river where you can go in and lie down and relax, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can
man.
swim in there.
Then that me I tell you, man, that's how we are go, man.
Alright then, so
Yeah, see.
we're on the journey now, right?
On the journey. Welcome, all of the people there. Big up on yourself.
Yeah.
So, I want heap of people watch to see we are going to enjoy, full joy with self. Right now, that's right there. Yes, okay, you know. Yeah, man, for real, man. I want Maroon, man. I tell you, blessed Jah, guide and protect up on the journey, along the way. Father, you know, we put everything. You are the driver, you are the carrier. Kings of kings, the lords of lords, conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Jah, bless. Right for our journey. That's right.
That
yeah,
is
man,
it.
wonderful.
Well, bless up.
Well, bless up, man.
Place we can buy the street, man.
Yeah, man, real place, everything there. St. Thomas, you know, is kind of a place where them they put on away, you know. You don't understand me, you know, you don't know, you know, the history. Because you don't know them people, there was a revolutionist certain way. You don't know them people, they go hard. I tell you, pa, you don't know a slave master, backer master, them who want to come deal with the poor people, them away. We just fight for equal rights and justice. You don't know, so you don't know the pressure go on way on the east more. You understand me? But you don't know them thing there. Different generation, that signal they have to change.
Yes.
You know, real man.
So it's a lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle. Look to the east. We are the coming king. You don't know, Black Supreme. Yeah. For real, man. Heal the king.
With the Maroon.
Heal the king. I real Maroon, man. For real, man. Them know, you know. That's
all things.
And we are some man, we have to put.
all things that live in
Right, I know the money, I know the vanity, I know the luxury, and the love of the Almighty Rastafari, the righteous way, natural way we are dealing with it, youth. Because we could have rich, we could have do everything, but we mean for stay away upon a level pure. You see, when you're pure and clean like the running river where we are going now. Yeah, man, Jah carry you through, man, for your journey, man. And that's a cleanness. That's why you see me as a boy where from me I watch Kino thing, I nah lie you out, I gravitate to the man thing, and I say, yeah, we have to strengthen up that thing because I see Kino do the righteous thing. Kino, I feed the nation, Kino, I look out for the fortunate. You understand me, so? You know, when people do consciousness, we have to embrace it. For real people, and that's how we there, man. You don't know my youth, say what life, man, and consciousness we are dealing. For real. Rasta in our vehicle. You see it, sir. You know. You see it. We love our voice that we come. You know, so I put on and say, I am not selling today, you know. You see it. A road we said today because I tell Keen about the journey from a good little while and you don't know. Nothing done before the right time. Yeah, man. So, everybody alright on the journey? Yeah, give them bus boy there.
I say two people behind me.
Alright, so we can't left them at all. No, man, we not left no one. We not up on a yes, no, brother. My place we are going now. Because right away to me, you see, where we are going now, me have my district, yes, sir. And where we are going to go, you have the next little district above my district. So that little district that we are going to go. But me have to go in my district for sure them where the history come from. Yeah, me have to show you my yard of country. You understand me where you don't know, say that's where everything I come from too. You know, when we are going to country, we just have to kill a day of country. Just like you go on government work, you don't know you have to go kill a day when you go hospital, station or any government place. So you don't know when you go fun, we don't know, so we have. You understand me? We are fun and you see it, we just know so we are kill that day there at St. Thomas today. And that's the thing there. Bathe in a river, swim in a river and them thing there. And cook.
Now we have to pot on the food and the plate.
Man, that's why them
content we are create.
Content we are create. The pot, me say, a content we are create. Yo, the people that love it. And we know that, so we have to give them thing where them can relax. When they left work and come home, them can tune in. And relax to the balance of evening till they're ready for sleep. Pankino life in Jamaica. You know, straight like a maker.
Are we not faker?
No, man, we don't deal with faker and a raper.
What is it? Rasta Jacks around there.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Rasta Jacks.
Yeah, man.
Beer love you.
Love, man. Cause nothing but love, you know. Love alcohol.
man.
Cheap and be a love.
Yeah, man.
Go around and deal with everything and be a love.
Alright.
The extended family and be a love.
Yeah.
Beer love.
Yeah, beer
all over. Yo, big up all of my people that must see me on the chat. Them are rate. Maroon, man, you know. For real, you know, people, yard brad, my friend of America, England, Canada. Yo, and one Maroon, one Kino life in Jamaica. May I tell you, sir, big up the restaurant there, so too. Yeah, man, because people say we're all over. I know, so what. We have to make them see Jamaica, man. For real, man.
Yes,
all about.
Jamaica, nice.
And we also, man, Virgin. I don't want to live in another place but Jamaica. Although one country my experience and England still. Yeah, 5 years I do England, you know. Yeah. You see it, but you don't know. I volunteer come back on my yard paper because I
there?
I did there a New Cross, a London.
Which year?
We are down in the brain, it around in the 2000 something.
Early 2000.
Yeah, early down in them time.
Why come like some know
you
them?
See all
you that New Cross and which far?
you have all a double murder where they go on in a Peckham then. I mean, I never hear about that, you know. Yeah, then they kill 2 youth in a house. Around 2 youth in a house.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, they know my link, man. I mean, the youth them drive, man, for Luton, man. Because I deliver Luton, you know. I would drive. So I go to London, the man say I'm checking girl, you know. You understand me? I went and go, brother, I not like one bag of thing. But God always round me and surround me. So I say, take me out of it. Because when me and the brother roll go to London, you know, we're not keen. And I say, blow your heart. You know, me and I vibe and I say, you know, when we reach London, I not par with him. Because the dust go fresh still, you know. You know, when you go there and play fresh, you're nice. And what's the top man, me and par with me, I say, yeah. You know, everything nice. And I say, oh, the man live up there. And I say, what? Suffering nice, man. So I say, but we never know, say, the man have a H is a virgin, kill virgin, you know, brother. And lucky God guide me out of it too. If I never come out of the van when we reach London, say me I go buy a food. I say, bro man, I go buy a food, you know. And so me escape it, you know. And when me go and buy the food now, he left me, go and talk to him brother, pick up a next virgin. We just come to England too, and go and Peckham. That time the man them a wait for him in a house at Peckham there. Duct tape him. I want to cruise some his murder, they go on, man. You know, see it. Yeah, so Jah make me just, cause me know the man them we do it, you know, so them don't have to kill me and load them. Probably who don't want to kill me, but you know, man, I left witness.
Yeah.
You know, see it, but God, man, and we have to there, man.
Yeah, man, that is it, man. Alright, then, guys, so everything goes, so we're on the journey right now to September, so we're gonna have a wonderful time there with the Maroon, man. And
yeah, man, we are
so the car, them loaded, so we have 2 car vehicle back to us, so you know, it goes in the journey.
Yeah, man, we are counting upon the journey, people. It's not a dull moment, people. It's a lively lifestyle. Out on the east today. You see what I say?
It's a bright moment.
Man, it's a bright moment. Man. Big up popcorn to out the east. They want a lifestyle. You see it? The east, say they want a piece, girl round and west, say them are the best, girl out and south, them me a talk about, so me love to see the rest and stick out, out of me I feel look out, tell them a Belgium Maroon man, girl them from the east, say they want a piece, girl down and west, say them are the best, girl out and north, say they want to start, from me see the girl, me see the close back off, I feel it cut it, me say it up to the heart, so me do it, me say me die really, yeah, man, a big tune. You know we are the Lord. Full of tune, man. I will say, yeah. Yo, not a dull moment. It's just a live moment. Yeah, man, that's how we do it for the St. Thomas Road. Look on the road. Give them a view of the road, too. Yeah, because so going on, we make them know say Jamaica nice. Hills and Valley, man. Jesus Christ. Yo, that's how we do it, man. Because the one Maroon man, for real. Yeah, clean up. For real, man. It's a lifestyle. Look on life. Nice people.
But I want you again.
Yo! Yo, because we're full of tune, you know, because they don't know, say, I saw the thing going on.
Yeah.
Me love to see the breast, then stick code. Oh, tell me, I feel look good. Tell them a Belgium Maroon, man, a chill out. Love to see the breast, then stick code. Oh, tell me, I feel look good. Tell them a Belgium, me a chill out, because girl them from the east, say them want a wheeze. Girl round a west, say them a the best. Girl down a north, say they want to slaughter. When me see the girl, them the clothes, say papa. I feel the cutting myself every down to the heart. Girl to man up, me say me know the girl cough. Girl from east, west, south and north. Love to see the breast, then stick out. Oh, tell me I feel look good. Tell them a Belgium Maroon, man a chill out. Love to see the breast, then stick out. Oh, tell me I feel a long time with a DJ still in but you see when we start DJ, we have a lyrics that long time, we vintage lyrics that we might not too much in that slow rhythm thing, but you see our kicking rhythm, punani rhythm, and them rhythm there with DJ Pong.
And the whole them rhythm there. You need the beat where you get around there, so you need the mix.
Watch out now. So 119 information, money some get it. Yo, just bounce it low. 119 information, money them get it. But they never live to spend it. See the 10 grand for them, pay by them can't stake. I'm missing 119 information, money some get it. But they never live to spend it. See the 10 grand for them, pay by them can't stick. From an informer around, they make me find out. Big Macky Lebo bad man pop it out. Shot to them, yeah, their face and them out. Uncle see the camp pack up and chip out. Him no one dead in a no informer house. Fire and gas when we said to the youth. Anybody see the yak and try if he run out. Shot in a guy, in a face, in a mouth. And we sing 119 information, money some get it. But they never live to spend it. See the 10 grand for them, pay by them. It's a lifestyle moment. Youth are youth. Look how life nice. Youth and youth. Why killing them one another? Look how life sweet. Look how life nice. That one life you cherish it. Yeah man, worship it man. Youth and youth. Look how life nice and we are with freedom. We can left from town go St. Thomas. We can left from St. Thomas pass through Yalas. Yo, panic Yalas. Yo, may I tell you say, youth, do the right thing. Do the right thing, youth. I love what we said. Do the right thing man. Them killing and them thing, they are fortunate man. You hear me? I'm more loving a Jamaica. People overseas want to come here, you know. Yo, the people that want to come here because Jamaica the best thing in the real best place. Everybody want to come here. Cool down the crime man. Watch out. Cool down the crime man. Watch them. Could they look up in the hills there so people look for Jamaica. Yo, I tell you man. Other moment the people. Look how Jamaica sweet.
Yes,
Jesus Christ.
Guys, you know it's a Maroon,
yeah, man. Maroon there, man.
Pure vibes today, so
me say love Jah, we don't know what. Love Jah, Maroon man attack. Love Jah, with the Bible in your hand, worship Almighty and left out Satan. Love Jah, we don't know what. Love Jah, Maroon man attack. Love Jah, with the Bible in your hand, worship Almighty and left out Satan. Every day them get up out them and a your man. One rotten off head foot rotten off hand. Want to life man and lead a dead man. Them the same thing they no write it wrong. Father, you hear me prayer and me feel the blessing of your power. Father, you hear me prayer and me feel the blessing of your power. Every day them get up with them fussing and fighting, with them gunshot and the spear and knife thing. And no believe me say in the love thing. God Almighty, I go smite him. Love Jah, we don't know what. Love Jah, Maroon man attack. Love Jah, with the Bible in your hand, worship Almighty and live for Satan. Uno evil people me say uno me attack. We get up every day and study pay witchcraft. Kill all the man me say just for your cat. Wipe off the man and dig out him heart. Those type of people, them me attack. Corruption and them thing them me say them the thing for park. Love Jah, we don't know what. Love Jah. Maroon man attack, love Jah. With the Bible in your hand, worship Almighty and left out Satan. Love Jah. With all of the world, love Jah. Maroon man attack, love. Yeah man.
Maroon man again. No more yet.
No more yet.
We are going away. No story. The guys just go on.
Stay tuned man. I want Maroon man. For real, key in a life in Jamaica man.
Yeah,
for real man. Just subscribe to that channel.
Yeah,
like the video. People like the video. Because it's not a dull moment. It's a center mass moment. Yeah man. For real.
That is it.
I go there. I go buy the coconut. I buy the coconut on the room. Wanna come in? Eh?
She must be alone coming.
I buy the coconut and the fever.
On the sick.
Oh. Oh.
She in the side worse than give up for trouble.
Oh.
That one
You okay? Sneeze, cough, all mask, me see out. You coming? You walking? Okay. More yet I walk. Come more yet. You walk? Alright then. Lazy. Yes, so we are going to go for. Whoa, you know?
Yes, man. Twice, you know. Yeah, man, make sure I bring my bath suit in a 2 piece. 2 shots, you know. Yeah, man, that's it.
I say make sure I bring your bath suit in 2 piece.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, we'll
everything, man.
stop in a Maroon Bay, gonna get
We are
coconuts.
in a great Maroon Bay now.
Yeah, and get some drinks.
Liquor and thing and drinks.
Yeah.
You know, after yourself on the destination with that.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
Oh,
But we have to
vibe.
get the necessary thing where we need.
Yeah.
You know, welcome to Maroon Bay. Tell them what I go
Tell
on.
them what I go
Yeah,
on.
man, the thing up, man. Well, family, you know?
Yeah. 2 more ladies at the vehicle, same.
Yeah, man.
Oh, same left up there. Tell them now come.
Coming out just too much walking around.
Yeah. The sun is
Go to the
out.
river.
Yeah.
They're out.
At least within the area now, it's probably going to do it for them. So you know the thing go guys, oats dumpling. So I have to go get the coconut. You know, nice big one. I know the man I have to get them fever. Them want them straight vibes. Them little vibes while I'm on the river. So we're here in the Maroon Bay. What on?
The fever and them something.
Why not?
Don't take them Thomas like them and everything there, someone. Them Thomas is a place in your house, so you sit them fast.
Eh? Oh. Eh.
Você me ele mesmo, você me sabe. Nossa.
So.
Alright, but I'm going to outside supermarket and look liquor. But we also have to get the liquor.
Yeah, but we're gonna a liquor store.
But me gonna come to.
Yeah.
Alright,
So we
so.
have it. We'll get all that liquor.
Whoosh! That's Sonia kick. Esther, but now I come back and make a bite, man. Esther, with that scaling on time? With that scaling on time? You have enough already? You look like you're not sure. I'll get more then. Oh, ice bust off.
Come here, come drop off the ice, madam.
The ice drop.
The ice drop.
Melt. Wash up the ice melts. Yeah. Ice melt off. Yeah, too much sun.
Too much sun period, dog. You know never do it, man.
The ice melts. Oh, see liquor store.
Nah, igloo when they go back,
Well, Ray and nephew will see.
You have 5 days. We'll buy this a piece of yam and that. I'm going to give him 15 bills. Just give him 5 bills. Alright, we're ready when I'm not ready.
What I give you a clip in the man and grab nobody not. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, man that pink, you hear that? Right in front, Clive. Liquor store, so anything what the people they want, if you can't get it same time and not see it, you can't order it, I'm going to hunt it for you, I can't call me cook call and it reach food, you hear that?
Alright.
Yeah, man, manners and strength to the people, you understand
Yeah,
me?
man, big up, man.
Yeah, man, the east side, love and strength and manners and respect every time. You want to give one song to go through your say already.
Yeah, you have a couple of songs.
Understand, huh?
You have a couple of music.
Yeah? You can jump out there?
Yeah.
Let me tell you about street life, the real life. More time you have to hustle and just to get the thing nice. The thing nice. Yes, the street life, the real life. More time me have to hustle hard just to get the thing nice. The thing nice. Big up yes the man them watch up the cane. Big up the farmer him well want the rain. People a travel them well want the plane. Taxi a run me say bus and train. Nobody no sick, nobody no feel no pain. People a flash car black up the lane. People a flash and a pop champagne. People are walking a sun and rain. The street life. I'm telling them you know what you know. You have to street smart you know.
Yeah.
You know have an education alone. No, so if you don't make it in the education realm, my father. What you know man? If you're street smart, that alone must beat all the education because some of the time people out have them subject and have whole heap of things, my father.
Yeah.
You understand? And they can't get no work. I mean, out of some of the time, now what they have my father, but I create something for myself and that's so. But what if you don't live off a profit? You understand? But minimum wage where you live off a 3,000 a day. You no matter how you work hard, you can't get the money, but watch out, me hustle hard. I'm limit myself. And I eat that, man, I hear that. Man, I respect to the money, man. Guys,
yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Just give me this for God.
Yeah, man, righteous. Yeah.
Now when people watch it, they know what to find and I want to highlight.
Alright, respect.
Don't have to give me this. That's why I tell them we don't want to find out.
Yeah, righteous way. Yeah. Hello. What's up? So we're in your town. Come now. We're in your town. What?
I'm okay.
I'm in your town. So what's up? What's up?
I'm good.
I'm going to river. Come in.
Which river?
Grandpa.
No, some of their work.
Their work. Oh, too bad. Too bad. But at least I'm here. So you're going to see yourself now, right?
All right.
All right.
But in the day, I ran the
Oh. So, you know somebody named Kino?
Yes, I watch him all the time.
I watch him all the time. Oh.
People feel like him.
People feel people, you know. I know me. Listen, you feel someone I know, you know?
Wrong identity. No, him. Wrong identity.
Wrong identity.
You watch it all the time.
All the time. Ask her, Esther, what the lady said a while ago, you feel somebody I know, you know, but I know me. You know you look like someone I know as well? No. You favor the same girl working at the supermarket. You favor the same girl. I'm a twin brother.
No, you watch all the time. You can't tell me nothing.
Big up yourself. I mean. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah?
Yep.
Big her up to me. So big up your mother-in-law, big her up. So big up mama-in-law.
Big up my mother-in-law, Miss Patsy.
Miss Patsy. Big up Miss Patsy. Miss Patsy, big up yourself, you know. You just see your in-law. Alright, yeah? Big up yourself, Patsy. You just meet the in-law. Right? Couldn't I sell no fever? Couldn't I sell fever? Flu. You know the vibe?
But the next part, I'm going to say, be a small buckle no money.
Oh, the man. They're going to check the guy next time.
Be a look one over there.
Yeah. If you sell the fever, I'll sell flu. The man said must go to the one next to the bus park. We are going to one there. Yeah.
Next to the bus.
Yeah, so let's make one person stop and go in there. Alright guys, so that is everything now. You know, we're not stopping for nothing now, so we get everything, so we're just gonna go straight at the river. You know, we don't want to waste any more time. Go straight at the river right now. Right now.
Quella vai in giusto.
Oh, you know. All right.
They want watch your kid now. They want to
When say, but those here come at Center Mass today.
what them people that tell me. Alright, that's on the Superman.
Yeah, that one the one is on. Alright, we reach. More yet a stretch. Smiley wake. Rashida stop dream. Esther pull up. Oh, chef say yellow. Eh? Where say?
Take them out.
Take them out. I don't know where I go. And load. Let's bring them liquor by liquor. Smiley, wake up. What else come out? Take out the water there. Take out the case of water there. Yes, you a life jacket.
Let me ask them one minute.
I want a life jacket that
Oh, yeah. So you can bring it if you want. Bring it if you want.
They want float.
So you carry where you carry still. Them girl that you could see man, Lord God.
Eddie.
No, when
Don't
we
know.
talk about jacket, you know, my name that talk what you talking here.
That talk about jacket to put on. Judy man jacket.
I hear.
A flip rum back baggy. Make me look like rum head.
Oh, take up the yam there. The yam.
You never say you never said to the. Yam. Hey.
Yamed.
Yamed.
Disappear. Manners. Yeah. Here bag this.
Man, what man?
Oh, So we're here at Grandpa Falls. Grandpa says on his way coming.
Yeah.
Grandpa.
Yeah, see, I'm a virgin man. Yeah?
Never go walk with the young.
So we're here at Grandpa Falls.
First time I drink this, I will bring it come to me. Sheila, first time I drink this, I will bring it come to me. Damian, and then it brings back a bucket to me.
Yeah, man, we unload everything and set up a kitchen right away. Guys, so here's where we are now. Grandpa Fall. So me give you a look on the fall, so I'll go on.
Grandpa say.
No signal.
I like Grandpa, no signal. He just come back. He come back. Grandpa.
Oh.
Tell me and say what Grandpa. Grandpa say off the radar.
Grandpa says you're off the radar. Alright, you see that the kitchen is getting ready right away. Coconut I got greater. And we're ready.
Yeah, man, we're ready, you know, right? Yes, brother, we're not hitting the pot right away.
Right
Me
away.
say, we just get at work right away. Kina, on the river look, my boss.
Beautiful, man.
Beautiful. Beautiful people. Today is a day where just stay with me, stay tuned with me, because we have on with journey. Right now we just reach right at the destiny. And you see the destiny? Right here, sir. Brother, I history for the balance of there. Stay tuned.
Yes, right now guys, so we have the cold stove setting up already. So chunks. Alright, chunks, see the water. Throw that shit away now.
Yeah, man, get something on the plate, you know.
Show it in the same thing, man. Just show it in that. You start that some already?
No, I boom drink that one, man.
Oh, yeah. Drop it in like I need it same way.
Yeah, man, yeah.
So guys, let me just show now a quick insight what the river look like. You know. So let me show you the river. River have a nice fall as well too. You know, it's a beautiful vibes, nice energy, good vibe, good energy. Yes guys, so we are at Grandpa Park. I like here, I like it, you know. Finally, I'm here. Grandpa says on his way coming, you know, because it's been a while I meant to come here and link up with Grandpa, you know. From when Christmas let's they introduced us, you know, it's from them time. But finally I'm here. They said nothing done before time and we're finally here. So guys, this is the fall, you know, beautiful. Alright, so you know my thing already. So first, I'm gonna make sure so I get in the kitchen. You know, so I'm going to change. You know, get in the kitchen and go and do my thing. You know, the oat dumpling is there on the menu today. No, more yet, no, more yet, no. No, more yet. Big swimmer like you. Big swimmer like you, Moyet? No, that's not a good look. Smiley. A Smiley should have it, you know. Smiley is not the big swimmer, Moyet. Smiley was fish. She have fish. You know, cool, it feel nice. You know, cool. Here she da.
What a cool man.
It's not cool, man. The fish them. River. What kind of cool, man? Nah, boys, yo. Go on, Moyed. Moyed, I can't believe I dropped a jacket. I couldn't believe that.
Cool man.
It's not cool, man. Guana, ladies, guana. Guana, man, guana. Hey, come. Esther, come here. Get one picture. Oh gosh, man. Moyet, come here. Yoshida, come. Yeah, so. We get one, so. Come here, so, Esther. Yeah, so. Right, yeah, so. Come, Eddie, come. Eddie, come on, sat there. Come, Eddie, to that sat there, man. Eddie, to that sat there. See the water not cold. What, the stone? The water is... Just float now, just float. Just float like the boat. And the only way you can get rid of it. No, not cool anymore. And that may I tell us one dip, smile, just one dip. Yeah. One dip. Eddie, are you okay? Come on, Eddie, man. Oh yeah, take out the jacket, man. Yeah. Wait, you don't need a jacket. Life nice.
Yeah, welcome to the ladies.
Yeah.
You know all about ladies.
Yeah. Moya, let me see your boss and swim now, Moya. Come, Moya. Teach us. Go on, Moya. Come, mermaid. That's the mermaid there. Yes, mermaid. Go the mermaid. The mermaid. Yeah. Alright, Eddie, we can't do it, Eddie, you know. Yo, I'm going to the kitchen, Eddie. We so come. Don't play with the pot. Eddie, I can't believe it, Eddie. It's not cold. Today I sat there. Big Saturday. Yes, guys, so anyway, things got oats dumpling time. In the kitchen time for me. Oh!
See the pack up with no money. I'm going to go take out some of that coal fire and cook. I'm going to ready to see.
Water in here, yeah?
Yeah. One thousand. No, we don't
take out from last night. We are putting another water here.
Keep it in the box here, man. I'm bringing it in the water. Ah, the sun. Yeah.
This like we make this right minute now the car out. Full liter of water.
Yeah. I'm putting my son.
Yeah, man, welcome to Dream Team Life, man. You see me, I say, Kino Life in Jamaica, you know?
Yeah.
Well, this is 30 grand right now, I'm great at the coconut. I try to say everything is alright, you know? So, I saw we deal with it, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, we go, man, you know, one family, man. You see me, I say?
One
straight
man.
up, man. Yes, I. So, big up to our love. Yes, I. One our love, man. Make them know what I go on, man. Yeah, man. That's how things set, man. You see me, I say?
So, guys, so
Yeah,
it's great in the coconut for the
Yeah.
oats dumpling. You know, so we're gonna juice that. And then
The viewers, them, you know? Yeah, man. Today I go and do the things same way, man. Put in the good work, you know?
look on it.
Yes, I.
Yeah. So we have oats dumpling and we have chicken over here. So the chicken here. We have some big fish.
Them out to go scale out.
Yeah. Bring them at the river.
Yeah, man, look on that, come on.
And that at that. Boomer tries tuning. Station. We gotta find a station. Jack, sir, we're here. We're finally here.
Yes, finally.
Reporting here.
I never carry this one because I want to send it.
Yeah.
I send the family, big up every time, huh?
Completely. Yes. Kino has and family. Then does it again. Completely. Everywhere we go, all the things Kino do for the needy. Kino rise so far, I bless you again completely. All the things Dream Team do, all the extended family, we love you. Yes. Forevermore, we dance again completely. Kino does again, him help the needed who cannot help themselves. Oh, you know, you're the only one completely. Maroon, man, drop me with the verse out.
Run it red, run it red, run red, run it red, run it red, run the girl them the red. Yo, watch out now. Yo, yourself a clip it clean.
Yeah.
Because we don't know say we have to keep the scene clean. You see what I say? And we have all type of tune. And we don't want to keep it dirty for the ladies. It's just clean. But you know what? Me have to intervene. And one cleaner. Yo, I'm a road man. And I say, go see the river there.
Yes,
watch
there.
I hear so with the people. Right to the river, yes, sir. Yo, may I tell you, say them a ball, say water cold. Them a say go like a iceberg. Them a say them feel like them they are London, England. People, I wanna do. Me say with the right, so what wanna do right now? When I hear that, a grandpa fall with it. Where are uno people? Uno should be here, right here. People uno missing something. Uno just want them in foreign and in town and feel like say this is the place. Right here is the place. Grandpa is the place. People, yo, me say yes sir. At the cozy spot. Right here, so grandpa. Watch them, show them the pot them. We don't start
we don't start
the fire never ablated. We want to smoke because this is not joke. Yo, we want to smoke because this is not joke. You know, me tell you say, me feel happy, me feel good, me feel wonderful. Yo, for back in my place. I know say me on the wrong door. Me can come back on my place. Me can go and come back on my place. I want to do them. Look for my place. Look for my place. Look for like bird. Hey.
I'm free like bird.
Yo, put some respect for it. When you say we're not town, we are not clown. Talk to them. Yo, I want keener life in Jamaica. Grandpa Paul. Today is the spot, the day. Right here, some people. Who not go happy. People who not go nice. People, just stay tuned, in tune. What? I'm out. The happiness.
Maroon man, where am I do? Where am I here, sir?
Yo, at the court, hey, may I tell you, say, you say court not, you don't want no more meat. You don't want no more meat.
You don't want no more fire.
This everything in this.
Yes, sir.
Coconut. Some people call it coconut.
Some people call it dreadnut.
All right. That's what I say. But you know what? It's an all-purpose nut.
So give them the coconut song now.
Coconut expensive, coconut well dear. Tell all the people if you plant off this year. Coconut expensive, coconut well dear. Tell all the farmers if you plant off this year. This is something where Maroon witness. Coconut is at a supermarket. You know, ask the price to carry price on it. Coconut is like what is that the national dish? Everything when me cook, coconut in it. Me call me porridge, coconut juice in it. Curry run down at the
coconut in it.
Oh, now the coconut it can't.
Cook without the coconut in a make no sense. Me say me there town and me a blend not eat. But then cook rice and peas. Me say it not taste. Yeah, why go on you? Come here, sir. Let me out of my family. I'm here and let me out of grow. Don't take it away. Why go on with you? Me tell you, I know you. Yeah, them youth here. Me and them youth here. Straight up. Indian, bad Indian. Tell them what go on fun till. You know enough. See all my general, them Boston and fun till man them here. Oneness. But we are going fun till the DJ. I hear it.
I will go to my good DJ.
I will tell you that. Yeah man, real youth. When we are come up down and do it.
This is Cougar Jafford.
Yeah man, Cougar Jafford.
Grandpa, what go on?
You know me, the man that DJ when I'm going.
So the man him.
So
the man himself, Grandpa. Big up yourself, Christmas list. So the man here finally.
Boy, if your camera could be TV.
Look at him powerful.
I bush winner man, you know.
Yeah, blood brother. See the resemblance, man. See them, see resemblance. We have Kian, rest of this up.
I want to buy your blow.
This, yeah man, so see the guys with the grandpa man himself, you know. So this is the Grandpa River and this is Grandpa, you know. That come from a long way and put in a lot of work and see me.
Peace and love and unity.
Yeah.
Your grandpa look handsome. Grandpa at the bush, you know. Yeah man. I will don't tell him that it's separate me, but grandpa look so. You know, separate cow milk, you know.
The cow milk.
Big up grandpa, you know.
Yeah man, so you probably see from them time of when you came to Hero Circle to see Christmas list.
Same so.
You know, it's from them time the link set, you know, family, you know. We're here now, you know. And this is Grandpa River, and this is Grandpa himself.
Up and running.
Up and running.
God bless you, God Grandpa can bless you.
Yeah. So check out his YouTube channel also. So tell them what name.
Grandpa Falls TV.
Yeah.
And Craig Community. What again? Craig Community Mix Up Channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Grandpa TV.
Grandpa Falls TV and Craig Community Mix Up Channel.
Alright. So see this, you can check it out, guys. You know it goes already.
You want a camera body?
Yeah, man.
Right here, I'm going to take a picture right now.
Asmo Packetry.
Oh, we can find it.
You don't know enough because you know it's a Trinity school.
Can I go find YouTube and show you? I can go on Google.
We have money now.
Yeah, man.
One and only Grandpa.
Yeah. Esther, it's the Grandpa, yeah. Yeah, sing.
No, Grandpa Fall allergic to lime food.
Oh.
Grandpa Fall allergic to lime food.
It's allergic.
Yes, if you have lime food, allergic.
Okay.
Wait, name again?
Allergic.
Allergic, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
He said allergic to.
Grandpa Fall is allergic to lime food.
The grandpa have to put up a pole.
Yeah, put up a grandpa pole.
Yeah.
So them say, you know, nice to meet you. And them feel soft too. You do not work. Lord Jesus, I'm going to my one girl like you.
Yeah.
But it didn't work. Yes. Could they bush me? I couldn't help for them, could they?
Yeah, rough.
Bush me have to work down.
Yeah. Hey, Grandpa, remind me of when it's coming like stand-up comedy. You know, yeah, so I can have lyrics, you know.
But you see, we have to make people laugh and enjoy themselves, you know, because I don't like vex, you know, because I think that when I vex, it's like I get uglier, you know.
Yeah.
I'm more to get handsome. It's like when I get rich now, more to get handsome. So I'm not bother with the vex, you know. I was a smile.
Oh, chef, so what's the Grandpa? Yeah, the man is for the river, Film River.
Yeah, man, Grandpa. Yeah, I never swim now, because I leave cars one day and come back.
Chicken and fish,
you know.
Chicken, man.
No, not thinking half box with a boy, no. No, I don't like one that.
She might think that's from again by the bones, you know, like bite up, you understand me?
Chicken, no.
Yeah, we're great chicken, you know.
Grandpa.
Yeah.
See, Grandpa out there, you know.
Yeah, no problem.
No,
bush, you know,
some ladies them for 10 minutes. That's simple for 10 minutes.
They were all I mean, you know. But about 3 years now since me I grew up.
Okay.
So
are you name a Grandpa?
Yeah, because I'm Grandpa. So anything I own, Grandpa. So if I'm gonna own you, you are if I'm gonna Grandpa. Grampa.
Oh, Grandpa.
So, they used to be Grandpa.
Yeah.
But too much place near Grandpa.
Yeah.
So Grandpa, Jamaican patois style. Grandpa.
Yeah.
You understand? Falls. You understand? Yes. So everything I want, named Grandpa.
Yeah.
So if me you there, Grandpa girl. You understand? Yeah. So if you beg me a money, I say give me a Grandpa money.
Yeah.
So it go.
Yeah.
Everything a Grandpa.
My Grandpa money, no. Yo.
Right, man, so it go.
One love with a Grandpa, there, man.
Peace and love.
Yeah, nah, get a signal.
Of course, if I come again, I say if me soon answer, me soon answer.
Yeah.
A guidance, yeah?
Alright then, yeah, man, big up.
God bless you, yeah?
Yeah, man. Alright then.
Grandpa, make sure you come back. We have 2 jelly for the ladies, them, yeah? Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Get jelly, yeah.
That's the key in there.
Wow, Grandpa Kane?
No, him brother there, no.
Oh, Grandpa?
No.
Oh, that man there?
Yeah, Maroon man brother that. Yeah, I ain't bring come. You say you not get through no signal?
Let's say I do earphone and
Well, I go up here, so.
I get ear.
Well, I go for the car.
I mean, I get cat.
Alright guys, so that is Grandpa himself, so you know the thing goes, so. My turn now. Yeah. Another oats.
All over, man.
Alright guys, so the coconut filling finished grater right now. So you know now I'm gonna juice it.
Strain off, you know. We take all the strain off. Yes, I. Get the milk well pure. No trash, you know, no trash. Yes, I. This is how the dream team family deal with it, you know? Come on, this is how we deal with it now.
Last juice in this, and we want it rich, not poor. We don't want it like no papa.
Yeah. See, it's a cold down,
It's a count up. Yeah. Today I eat 5 dumplings or 6. Sorry for some people.
I can't eat that so much here.
Can't eat that so much? You're gonna see. Yeah, I say 6 dumplings I eat today. And I say I can't eat that. The only reason why I say I eat that sometimes because when the crowd come around, you know you have to share it. But the woman cook them things, man, I have 6 dumplings I eat.
Yeah.
6 dumplings. Now food, you know.
I eat so much food. Boil all a piece of yam there.
Whoa! That is stove. Come over here.
Start over back. Then start over back. Oh, shit, get the idea.
The road now, see me?
Can you read the pan instead of here? Then it come off now and press back that 2 times when it come back on.
Alright, so flour time. Need the flour now. This is oat dumpling time, so we prepare.
Yeah, man, the boss, this is that.
No boss, it's your family.
Yeah, family, no. Yo, why for the boss? Why out boss?
No
boss ride ass.
Yeah.
None of them things around here.
Yeah.
Yo, family.
Yeah.
Yo, what's my family I know?
Yeah.
You see that dumpling now my family are dealing? Me no lie, I never eat it as yet. Right now, the first time I gotta sample this dumpling. See it here.
Call it oat dumpling.
Yo, when they said a lady are there, Lord God, I tell you.
Miss Foster.
Oh, yeah, Mrs. Foster. Jesus Christ. Yo, fun a lady that when I eat the lady still, but
the oat dumpling.
And the oat dumpling. Yo, yeah, we know that they're on my family them. Oh, you talk, oh, you respect. Your lingua, you know. Yeah, man, because your lingua, trust me, you have to dress it up, set it up. Yeah, I know how to deliver it. For real. That's right there.
Alright, so I go on and on.
God, perfect.
Nah, man. Good. Prefect over here there with the chicken. Well curry, well ready up.
Knife over the pair up. Knife over there, brother. Knife over there.
Yeah, man, for real, man.
Yeah, I see everything right now.
Yeah, man, I also, man. Yeah, I see everything, man. The dumpling, everything.
It's a lot.
Yeah, man, a lot of flour key now, man. Dumpling, enough. Yo, you see that dumpling are versatile. Coat, man. Remember what I did them, man. Yeah. I don't know if that not soft for Kino and pain him. Yeah, man, I also, man. Real flour them I need, brethren. Real dumpling. Real dumpling I made. You see it? I suppose you can cook 10 of them flour today. Yeah, man.
I say you're bad.
10 more fast.
So you see everything, right?
Everything, Kino, man. Yeah, man. Everything, man. Yeah, we don't miss out that, man. Remember, we have an idea it, you know, man.
Alright.
You see it? We just have to take time to get sensitive to it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You said 10 flour?
10 flour! Bigs are going to work out today. Original Bigs, 10.
Yeah, like, tell the girl, the man said.
I'm probably me under my weed and me think to a 15.
So, who wants to see that today? Go on,
15 dumpling, a history me a create today.
Alright.
It's all do that. Nah, for worry, nothing left back. Yeah, Rasta, so the thing, you know? More life, brother, over there, you know? Yeah, man. Big up the down a river there, too. You know. Create it. A river nice. You know the great St. Thomas. You see it. Clear nice. Good views and thing, brother. Yeah, man. Back to the dumpling. Back to the flour.
One whole
heap of flour. Yeah, man. It don't want no more juice. It don't want need out. Need out. Tell me we see it refined. Kino, me usually I 30 pound, 25 pound of flour me I need, you know. When me I work up a fit coin, you know, see the hills there. Up there, so me usually work people. Up there, so them call me a fit cut hills. All of where them tree they will make light posts. Them plant up at them place there. You see it. So you know when they go, when we are go up here now, Kino, like we done left Monday morning. You will not come back to tell her the next fortnight. You see what I say? So we go up there and do one fortnight. When we come down, we carry how much pound of flour, how much pound of rice, how much saltfish and them thing there, brother. Them thing there enough. But you see, needing flour is a part of exercise too, you know. Because them thing they build up your muscles and your stomach, you know. No boy can't tell me nothing. Love need flour. You see it? Yeah, man.
Whole heap of flour.
Whole heap of flour. Anytime the pot simmer, man, I water, man, I go out. For the time now, we are going to keep the fire blazing. Blazing. Yeah, man.
Blazing.
Oh, yeah, man. Ever blazing. Big up all of my people them in the city Kingston. All of my people them cross the floor. You know. Yeah, man. Because them a watch you build up and dumpling. Yo, Kina, they think I'm pretty white thing. They don't know if a general can cook. I want to fuck them. Oh, there. I saw a thing with around big food around here.
No.
Yeah, see it. Right now, China make them dumpling a cold pan, you know. Yeah, when they dumpling I get cold.
Leave out some of the coconut water same way.
Yeah, just leave out.
Never make it.
Where base there? You have it over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, for kind of wet it liquor.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And more flour we say, and more flour we say, every hour we say, every hour we say, and more flour we say, every hour we say. Yo.
I want some more night.
Well, more, yeah, man, you know, want it to dry better. Okay. Yeah.
So, lazy.
Mama hungry.
Eddie hungry. She's searching for the food. It's too ready. Yeah, one go. So everything I done one time. One a curry, one a fry. And them say gummy. Run half or something. I put it in a level. Alright guys, so we kind of switch up the station. Yeah, we kind of switch the station because not many breeze is coming from that side to kind of help the fire. And then now over there was into level, so we bring it on this side where it's level. So we have the 3 pots them here and everything. So my coconut pot, you know, just season it, you know, so the pot seasoned already, boiling now. So they make it simmer down a bit, you know, before we can put in the dumplings. Right there. Over here, prefect of the curry chicken. Start curry down already. So the curry chicken will go on curry down. And we have the fish pot over here trying to get hot so the fish can drop inside. So yeah, so check it. See there? The breeze now, the fire starting to blaze. You know? That's what we need long time. That'll start now, see it start now. No? All the time it's over there to here. Take a start blazing. See it get red there now. It's ready now still, you know? Kinda look hot. Yeah. So this is the one that red hot now. So this one is red hot. So this is boiling up. See there, whoa. This is what we've been talking about. You know? Yeah. Oh, go and relax. Hey, look at the fish. Jackson, watch the locks.
Yes, man, you can't right, huh?
Jackson, go and watch the locks.
Yes, man, no, I'm going to come back and relax, you know.
Yeah.
I have to come here far, you know. Come back and relax and go and enjoy, you know. Yeah. Staying alive. Wow, chef, how about that?
How are you going over here?
I'm born in the 90s. Anything after 90s are fraud.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything after 90s are fraud. I want to just 10 years.
Boom, do it, sir. Yeah, sir. Why? Yeah. Maroon man is here.
This is my place, people. Look at Jamaica. Look at Maroon place. Yo, the river here, the Maroon River. You know me, I tell the people that about the river here.
Yeah.
People, that's the link way. To cover them river here. I want to see you look on the fall. Watch your hand there, you some Maroon cracker. Me say the river nice. Watch Maroon. I want to do that. Yo, the water you keep you fit. Yo, I want the girls and the ladies. You don't want to come on the river here. Link up Maroon.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, watch out the river here. Watch out people. Clean up, get lit. Get lit. Walk. Get lit, nigga.
Hey, my Joe! Hey!
Yeah, the water sitting in the wicked. Yo, what's the river? It's sitting. Bro, Mr. Waterfalla. What's up?
Help!
Yo, we got the water over. Yo, let's go. Yo, the father, you're the wickedest.
Yeah. Yo, the man a fling sea lick like a wheel. Whoa, chef, jump off now, whoa. Whoa, chef, jump off now. Whoa, chef. Yeah. Ooh. Yo, Maroon man. Yeah. Maroon man, 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 hey, Maroon man, hey, hey, no, sir. Yeah. Yeah, man, look at the water.
We are cheer them on.
Yeah.
So what am I talking?
Cheerleaders.
In the water, they would come because they feel like soft. So them see the mermaids, so them have to
No, sir. Hey, yes, them say you're so nice. Yo,
don't hypnotize him already. We don't do this. But hypnotize one shot at yes, that's a plan. We catch him, man. We catch him. If you don't watch Netflix.
Yeah, guys, me can't even swim yet, you know, because I wait till I finish cook, you know, putting the dumpling them first, you know. Trust me, because I want to swim. You just can't follow it anywhere you go, you know? Yeah, man. Right now? Right again, man. See it there? Right again, man. That's the way right now. Yeah, man. Right, that's the way there, man. On the Grandpa Falls, man. See it there? Oats dumpling, fisher fry. Keen up on the live here right now. I'm going to the dumpling them. So yes, I. So it's set, man. Yes, I. Yeah, man. And see the prefect here right now. You see me, I say, and make sure say everything is. Alright. Yes, I. Put it back. Yeah, man. The genius. The one genius. Yeah. Yes, I. He make everything possible. And Father God. Without Father God and the genius, nothing can possible. So everything we always put the master first. And then everything else will come in place. Yeah, man. One Rasta Messi. One Rasta Messi. Yes, I. Every time, man. Yeah, man. So you're going to put in some dumpling now, you know?
Water sweet!
I will tell you, boom. You see, they must swim and long can get a chance to swim. Yeah, yeah. I'm prefect here in the kitchen. Yes, I. As always. Whenever we go a river, we get caught in the kitchen. Wonderful. Yeah. Right. I can't wait to put in this dumpling and try to take a chop off. Yeah. Which one? Yeah, put here and stand. And the dumpling them going and pull it. Yeah.
You can put it on this. By this kind of.
Alright guys, so the dumpling them is all in. You know thing goes so alright guys, sharing time now. You know the thing goes already. You know the thing go. Anyway, this 200 that's how we fling. You know the thing go. Anyway, this 200 that's how we fling go. Yes guys, I did have a little swim. Oh, so I did have a little swim. So my time, it's time now to share food so we can eat and get the hell out of here. So you know food time now to eat and get some food and get out of here. So sharing time.
See it now, we're ready, you know. Yeah man, we're ready, you know man. Thing up and running, you know, active.
These are cat wheels.
Cat wheel. Yes I. Yeah man, so things set man.
These are
bubble down, you know. Take out the pot, make it dry out. Boom, take out that one.
This.
Take out ready with the what's dumping them, you know. Oh, chef of yam, this is a roast. The man, oh, chef of roast yam. Yeah, eh? This is it, man. Well, curry down, you know. Well, curry down. Yeah. Boss, I look after him roast yam there.
That man straight, you see it? Yeah man. St. Elizabeth style, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, St. Elizabeth, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Genius over here, so I get the food ready right, you know? Okay. Flicking. Under the chickens.
They're hot, you know, man. Lava.
Let's get off fire.
Yeah, man, I'm a family man. Low ranking, brother.
He's in low ranking.
Yeah, man, brother Canada over there. Yeah, man.
You wanna come to the movie then?
Yeah, I'm brother that, you know. I hope that's how you come from Trinity. We're coming on top.
Teddy Brook shot at top.
Teddy Brook shot, man.
Send name, where's the name?
We call him low ranking in DJ name.
Oh, my DJ.
Yeah, man, them man, them all DJ, you know. Them time, them man, Ninja, man, them. Here for time, no man, them DJ, you know. In a super cat there, them man, they all super cat. I'm the actor. Yo. A DJ, force him to that, you know. Oh, for the monster.
Roll for food there, you know.
I make a share a 2 flour for my cousin, you know, and I done everything.
Yeah. Them there same, yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah, yes, I'm there, man, I say. Yeah, man, see them there, real flour, them keen on life. I tell you, dumpling them wicked, them sicked. But no, I lie you. You see them flour, yeah? You have 15 dumplings I want to eat today. Kina, how much you share for me? I not so much. I used to know
no, so much, man.
Not so much.
Remember a couple of well there.
But we're going to see if we can mash up anything and I can't win.
Yeah.
Then I can't win.
You a dumpling, man, in a kina. Need a 25 pound of flour we use and need and eat. When we go upside, and we carry. You see when we go camp out tonight, yeah, man. No, not them far. So, yeah, man. We adopted food in there, 4 food cook. It look enough. When you see when it cook, down, it's shell down.
Yeah, man. Make him know what kind of dumpling them are going to eat, no, man. Him know what kind of normal dumpling them there, no. Oats dumpling them there.
You know, we do it, though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's nice, man. Different liquids.
Yeah.
I the only dumpling will give you some kind of vitamin and stuff. You know, I don't say flour does there. Because myself, the chef.
Yes, I. Just like that.
I love the eggs, man. You never come there when you come there. You come enough time, man. You never come. But last time you there, you don't have to come there. Because from there, man, you just want to come here, you know. Couple of things.
Yeah, man, put on tail in my own.
Hey, I know. Nice, I think I'm nice for one in a Rabia cherry. Nice, you never got to come here. Yeah. Nice one there, cherry, and the last time we come and go down there, that's it. Yeah, man. Cherry, love that, man. Love that how you want that. From the two where the river come down. You want to come down? Okay.
Everybody knows the line that get the problem.
Ready. Oh.
Are you feeling me there?
Yeah.
Look, what big way down?
Yeah. Ladies. There come them, Jay. Them hot, you know. Heavy, you know. Heavy. Boom, the father, Jackson. Them heavy. Eh? Fish bone? Where's my head? Prefect!
Go back, right? Prefect there, walk out.
Oh.
Not prefect home. No.
Hmm?
Go prefect home.
So one piece of fish too? Chicken not fat enough, so I'm gonna put more chicken. Watch that.
3 flour, we are going to figure it out now. 4, give thanks and praise to the Most High God. Bless it and consecrate it. Yeah, man, I no bag of gravy thing. Well, I no gravy this. It's not gravy. Yeah, man. Catch it, people. See it, it bad like yours. Eh? One of day, I know, watch out.
Eh? Only get too much. But Rashida still want more dumpling.
No, I have to get one of mine. If I eat one, I know it's I go want more.
No, sir. Smile them, see. Fish them kind of damage, you know.
That good man, Tino. Thank you very much. You trying too much, mom.
Damage. Alright guys, so see there. It's my turn to go eat. Whoa, watch out, whoa, drink it, man, drink it.
Yeah, man,
Yeah, my general, say me, man.
Yo, Grandpa Falls with there now.
Yeah.
I eat some dumpling and chicken, but what you want?
Chicken.
Some unique dumpling with chicken, with general.
Oats dumpling.
With them?
Oats dumpling.
Oats dumpling, yeah.
So we unrelated.
Yeah, man, first cousin, man. I tell the book shot, brother.
Teddy Brook shot to them.
Yeah, we did, yeah, man.
Yeah, Shatters.
Real, man.
So you and Teddy Brook shot related too?
Yeah, they know, family, man.
That's why I have the energy there, man.
Alright, you see, female, are your mother? I'm my grandmother.
Yeah.
No, I'm my grandmother.
Yeah.
Them have his auntie.
Oh.
So my grandmother, female mother, you know.
That's why I have the energy there, man.
Yeah, man. Man, they come like a brother, man. Man, sound like Louis.
Yeah,
man, sound like Teddy Brook.
All on the sound alike and look alike. Real Maroon.
One family, one blood, one set of us.
See there, man. Yeah, all over something that go on. Oh, something.
I said, no, you want to add, man. Yeah. If you get us the food, good. Yeah, man. You know why you been up here, eat me dumpling, but we done.
It done. It can't fast.
You know, Tina, I tell them about this long time and then think a joke. Catch it, you know. I told them we did. See, Grandpa Falls with them bad dumpling in the water.
Bad. And one, no. Alright, guys. There. What? From Esther eat 3 dumpling. More yet? No, sir. She don't want no more.
Why you eat up everything?
Yeah. Rashida said she don't want no more meat, she want dumpling. Gosh.
She wants hard food.
Hard food. Moyet, I give Rashida that dumpling? She asked to do what? What are you going to do with the dumpling when she give it to you?
I have to eat me, I eat that kind of else. That's what my cousin me, I go get. But I'll get on the dumpling. She don't really like food.
Shall I keep her in?
She really like things that is not food.
Yes, sir. It's finally something else. Eddie, Eddie, are you okay? Oh, Eddie, I got Eddie one more dumpling. Esther one. Jackson, how is everything over here?
Yeah, everything's nice. I'm fine. What me say? Everything's nice.
I'm fine.
I'm born.
How much do you?
No.
Watch TV.
But what I know is more good, man.
How she do?
Nah, to go swimming.
Oh.
I'm going to
you need to station for me. I know I mean your Jackson.
Yeah.
You know, everything's nice, everything for a beer love.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
No, yet, why you change the station on Jackson? No,
the station.
the station.
Yeah.
Oh, you was watching Smiley Station.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright.
The cartoon. Oh gosh. Hush.
I went up on the station here.
You know, so Smiley Station is very dangerous. I remember after them not under 20s, you know, so them have to change switches.
Yeah? Yeah, man, watch the what now. You know, one more, there's more sauce in the dumpling pot. Hush, Rashida, hush. Hush.
You know, you're talking about sauce, you're talking about meat, I'm talking about dumpling.
Only if I could give you this one, but I need it.
No, Sam.
If you want meat.
I get a remedy.
You
Yeah.
never do it so. You don't have to touch them now. Tell us how much a dumpling to spoil.
Yeah, I forgot have the touch. Hush. I know it feels.
The framework just eat half a pear dumpling like me.
No. Show why you pray if you eat half and give her the next half more yet. She's praying for you to eat half. She wants you to eat half and leave the next half more yet. Yeah. But you know, worship kind, check worship for a boom, boom. Check boom. And say, look, boom, have 2 more dumplings in plate. Time say worship for cooked rice.
No, Sashida, you're not saving.
Boom! Worship them and cook rice. You know, time to go finish our food now.
Man, the dumpling job. What? Aye, you know what that dumpling job?
Should have my dumpling job.
The nice dumpling job. No man, Tina, I'm feeling it right. Me and me feeling it. I eat it right now. Tina,
yo, my dumpling job. Mine.
Let me watch it. Can you see you want on there? Can you just turn on?
Yo, my dumpling job star.
Watch that, Mary.
My dumpling job.
Make sure try to kill my plate like I'm my own job.
No. Hey, bucket one.
Chop. When the soap and the shop them come from now. Yeah, man. You can't fight, control them after.
Alright, guys, so this is love. You know the thing go there, so. Why? My dumpling drop, so I'm find another dumpling. So best of luck, guys. You know the thing goes already, so. Give the video a like. Thank you so much for watching Finalizing in Jamaica. It's a wonderful day. So I'm going to finish eat and then we're going to head home now before the sun touchdown. You know, thing there. So just a love to all of you. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed and like the video if you haven't given it a like as yet. Dream team and team. So we're out here doing Grandpa Falls. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.